Hi guys, so this is like a vlog type video. In this part is me giving Holly her birthday present because on the 6th of December was her birthday, and this is obviously me filming it on her birthday. So this was from Pets at Home and it was £10, and it came with the house and the 3 little gingerbreads, and the gingerbreads actually do squeak. So that's my mum playing with her now, and then sitting next to her is my brother. And you'll see another clip in a few minutes of all the other toys and things we've got her. And she actually had like a special Christmas dinner flavoured like treat. So I'm sure she had a great day. So I do hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, carry on watching it and see how it goes. Hi guys, so I did film Holly getting her some of her birthday toys, but I thought I'd just show you all what she's got while she's sleeping here. So look away if you're squeamish, but this is basically a scar. It doesn't hurt her anymore. I wouldn't like touch it, but just needs to heal a bit more. So there she is sleeping. And then we got this large bed that barely fits in the frame, and then we obviously got her this house, and it has 1, 2. She's sat up, she's like, I can hear it. So there's 3, and then there's a house, and it kind of fits in there, and she does, when they're all in there, she puts her nose in there to try and get it. So, and she does like that. And then we got this annoying squeaky toy, and then I did actually get her like a string of sausages, but like a teddy, and it like makes a squeaky noise, but I've like looked all around the house and I can't find it. So hopefully it'll turn up and I'll show you guys what it looks like, but at the minute we can't find it, so I'll have to have a bigger look around. But just thought I'd show you guys if you're interested. That's basically what we've got her for Christmas. And now we've finally put up the Christmas tree. As Holly, she said food. Put up the Christmas tree and some tinsel, Christmas stockings. There's all the advent calendars. Tinsel all around the TV. And then there's tinsel up there as well. And on there is a bit of a mess on that side, but yes, basically that's it. So thanks. Oh, and there's tinsel along there, and there's a few decorations over there. So here's the decorations over there. There's just "We wish you a Merry Christmas" here, and then the snow globes there and there, and then the tinsel, and then there's the tinsel going all the way up to the stairs, and then there's twinkly lights and tinsel along there, and there's twinkly lights all around the room along the ceiling, so that's nice. Hi guys, so it's the next day. It was Holly's birthday yesterday, and I just wanted to show you this. So there's this spread that I've got, and it's this Lotus Biscoff. It's not a chocolate spread, it's just like a spread, and it comes in this jar. It's a caramelized biscuit. There's all the ingredients and everything. So I just seen that in the cupboard and I thought, why not try it on a bagel? So I'm just going to film me trying that. So I've never tried this before, so hopefully it's nice because this is my breakfast. Wow, that's actually really nice. So, that's amazing. So I'm going to finish my breakfast and then I'm going to go and visit my granddad. And it's been about 2 months since Holly's spay operation. And since she's had the cysts taken off her ovaries, and she's a lot better now. She's had her coat off for a few weeks, and she's actually going to see Bruno, my granddad's dog. He's a staff and he's really muscly, so he's quite rough with her. And we was a bit worried for her to go and see him in case that he slammed her up against something or anything like that. But now that she's a lot better and her scar's actually healed, we're going to be going and seeing him. So, yeah. I might film a little bit of that and I'll see you later. Okay guys, just showing you this, what I was on about before, and it's like squeaks. All of them squeak. All different colours. She's just lying there. I'm a bit of a sore throat today, but... Get it! Aww. I'm just going to show you where the birds are so you can see how they're doing. Oh god, you can't see that very well. There they are. I don't know how to show you. There's one of them there. Me in the mirror. Hi guys, so my mum's tried some of these and she says they're really nice. So just come in a pack of 11 sticks, and basically, if I can get it out, one of them's this size. Like that. And then it says here, strawberry yogurt snack sticks. So I just thought I'd do like a little taste test since I haven't tried them before. So let's see how this tastes then. It's really nice actually. It's really sweet. That's what's inside it. And there's like little bits of strawberry and it's really nice. Definitely got my vote. I love it.